How to change audio speed in KineMaster. First import your video and tap on audio. Now add the audio from here. You can add it from recorded as well or internal. Let me add from internal. Tap on this plus icon right here. Once you tap it, your audio will be added to your timeline. Just adjust its duration by trimming it like this. Once you adjust it, tap on your audio. Once you tap it, you will see many options right here. You can see speed, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can adjust its speed like this. You can adjust it to 1x or 4x or 8x by dragging it like this. You can keep it to slow motion, or you can just play it in fast motion by sliding left like this. Let me keep it to normal, but if you want to keep it in slow motion, just keep it to 0.5. And that's it. Changing the speed is super easy in KineMaster. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the videos. Thank you for watching.